Hello, a very good morning to everyone. I am Pranay. I'll be explaining the whole presentation. We are the students of Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management from EWB Engineers Without Borders Hitam chapter. This is a presentation for Mega Online Challenge ideation regarding the COVID-19, which discusses about grand challenge our nation is facing due to coronavirus. Getting straight to the point, this is our project, Protective Umbrella, a protective human shield. Here are the contents of this presentation, and this is how we are going to go with our present contents. Team description, problem statement, existing products, proposed solution, working, and conclusion. The project will be done under the EWB Hitam student chapter, and this is the basic principle we will apply in any of our project working. Process continues like this at first. We conduct a survey, realize the problem, pick up an idea, present it to the fellows of our chapter, and then we take everybody's view and opinions and continue to make a prototype out of them. We then take a revise and suggestions on the prototype to bring up the final project. This is our team. Our team name is World Drop 3. Here are our teammates. EVS Pranay, third year electronics department. I'm the EC coordinator. B Sai Chandrika, third year electronics department. She's the secretary of our EWV chapter, Hitam chapter. K Himan Varma, third year electronics department. And he is the chapter member. Our problem statement mainly discusses about COVID-19 virus because it can transmit easily from person to person. That's why we are following some rules and regulation to be safe, so that we cannot interact with the people who is infected already. But this has some backends. People cannot maintain social distancing forever because people still need to go out to buy groceries and essential needs which are required for basic human survival. Here comes actual problem. People are using masks which only protects nose and mouth. This mask won't protect whole body. As we discussed earlier, virus can enter the whole body in multiple ways. So before going out for needs, a small mask is not enough. In some places, people are using this custom umbrella where it consists of a plastic covers hanging to it, so that person can cover completely to avoid rain splashes. This product is somewhat related to our project. As we see, the present situation in India, a terrorism is sharp in the graph has increased. This has become very challenging issue for our nation. So we are here with a solution which might ease the situation. Our proposed solution is a protective umbrella, as we discussed earlier about a rain umbrella, which can covered with a plastic cover, can improvise with the same material and idea. It will be designed in a such a way that it covers the whole human body with some transparent cover and a fabric at the middle part, so that air can pass through it. So we know the fabric prevents virus. The opening and closing of the shield will be automatic and to prevent touch. Working process will be as simple as opening an umbrella. This special equipment will be designed in such a way that when it keep above our head, it launches a shield and person is completely covered under it. In the above slide, we can see some example drawing of our project. Here is a rough view of a product. It may not be same as this drawing when it comes to hand, because it has to be a small, handy and comfortable to hold. As we can see on the screen, there is some gloves built into the product so that still objects and requirers can hold with them. Upper and lower part is covered with a transparent cover so that person inside it can view what's going outside. The middle is covered with the fabric to avoid virus and air can pass through to avoid suffocation inside it. And a small sanitizer hanged inside the this protective shield for emergency hand wash. Total expenditure of this product and this esteem of the product pricing has been done, and you can see it on the screen. According to our requirements, it costs around less than 500, but we can decrease more. A basic umbrella equipment rupees 80 in a local market without any cover on it. Transparent plastic cover is about 50 rupees, fabric about 100 rupees, because we are covering a small amount of fabric. That's why it's just costing low. Motors are about 150 rupees. The advantages of our product will include many things like it is very affordable, It is same as buying as umbrella in rainy season. It is a very easy to use. Avoid social distancing by maintaining social distancing rule by protecting the whole body. It is same as a personal protective equipment. Our solution can at least reduce half of the danger compared to mask. Low cost equipment available for everyone. Also, this can be the one time investment when compared to the mask. Easy to use. It resolves three grand challenges like social distancing in rural areas, social distancing in urban and city areas, designing a PPE. Depending on the socio-economic condition and local factors, this solution is reliable. Thank you. Thank you for listening to our video and follow our Hitham EWB chapter in the social platforms. And these are my contact details and can reach me by the above websites. Thank you. Please follow our EWB Hitham student chapter.